last year is what something wherein I was without a job, searching for a job, practical applications that I could do with artificial intelligence in various functions, that I could present myself with a solid, innovative plans to my management or to the people who are interviewing me in my resume, what points to remove. And these AI tools helped me so much.
All right, everyone, welcome back. We have Nishant Sawant sir with us here, and he wants to share his experience of how he has been absolutely amazed with what he's been learning here. So, welcome, sir. Welcome. We welcome you.
Thank you so much.
Yes, good to have you. So, just a quick introduction about you, sir. What do you do? Where you're
Uh,
from? Where do you live? What company? You know the drill.
so I'm basically from Mumbai. I have studied my automobile engineering and I have completed my MBA. Have been working in automobiles since past 20-24 years, majorly in after sales. Uh, Last year is what something wherein I was without a job, searching for a job, and that's wherein I came across this course over I think a social media ad,
Right.
wherein it quite a bit interested me, and there was this small course that was there, or a one-day webinar kind of a thing, which I enrolled just to have a look, get a feel, and things like that, which was quite interesting.
Fantastic. So, if you could mention the company that where you work and the position that you're currently on.
Okay, I worked for various brands like dealerships with brands like Mercedes-Benz, Jaguar Land Rover, speedboats, luxury yachts like Princess Yachts, Maxim boats, Azimuth, and currently with BMW.
Fantastic, fantastic. Okay, so we know, right, that you've come to know about us through social media, as a lot of people have. So, but my question here is, yes, you said that you attended that webinar, but what made you purchase the mastery program? Like, what was that click?
Uh, there were a couple of things. One, the best thing I would tell you was what AI can do to us,
Mm,
or what it's the next thing. You can't skip it. You can't run away from it. If you run away, it's going to go ahead, way ahead, and you're going to fall back. So, what means that it helps you? It's basically not going to take over you if you are with it. So it will
mm,
help you in your day-to-day lives. It will help you in your work. It will help you in everything, the smallest thing, whether it's personal or professional. And the way it was taught, that Hi, Aditya, I would like to specifically mention here, like the way he carried that course, or that carried that entire webinar. He grabs you into that. He
mm,
ensures that what he wants to teach you gets into you, not
mm,
into your brain. It gets into your system.
mm,
And really, I'm telling you, means though I was very inquisitive about AI right from the beginning, he ensured that that inquisitiveness is you know
yeah.
increased to that level, that yes, I want to know more.
Mm,
So, and the benefits that I saw, the benefits that I could relate, okay, I can use it in my day-to-day
mm.
activities and things like that. Yes, I felt that I should go in for that.
Fantastic. So we all know that you must have filled out a form that you wanted to talk about an achievement of yours, right? And we've gotten a hint of what you want to tell us, but if you could explicitly mention it and talk about it.
Yes, as I mentioned, like last year was with I left my job due to certain personal reasons, and I wasn't doing anything for quite a few months. I was at home, just relaxing a bit. Then this year, January or so, I joined this class. It really, it transformed my actual professional journey itself. means whether it's making my profile, whether it is making my CV, the practical applications that I could do with artificial intelligence in various functions. I updated my CV first, went through the certain rounds of, means I was searching for a job this year, so
Yeah.
went to various rounds of interviews. During the interviews, I could myself see as a very different kind of an person, or a very confident person, wherein I could was speaking in a very different way to the people who were interviewing me, like on a more of an innovative plans. I was so confident enough to have an innovative plan given to my management, wherein okay, we can innovate certain areas of routine functionings which have been going on for ages, and enhance on a lot of fronts, like revenues, customer satisfaction, my daily operations, like tools management, first time fixed rate, productivities and lead times, and those all areas that I could present myself with a solid innovative plans to my management, or to the people who were interviewing me. And it was through. I went through, and in fact, normally for a position like this, it takes around 6 to 7 rounds. I went through in a couple of them,
Perfect.
and I am currently working with the BMW dealership as a general manager.
Fantastic. Right. That is so good to hear. So basically, as you've mentioned, you've a ton of experience, right? Exactly in this field, but you still managed to upgrade yourself, update yourself. You remade your resume, right? And I mean that must have been a whole task, because I mean you might have 30 years of experience, or you might have 30 months of experience. Remaking a resume always seems like the biggest task of them all.
My resume had reached 5 pages, and I was
Yeah.
like, if I just thought, like, if somebody comes to me for an interview, am I really going to read that 5 pages?
Exactly.
I'm like, no ways.
Exactly.
And really, this thing, our class on LinkedIn and resume, it really helped. It really helped, and
Yeah.
it made life so simple. I couldn't understand what to keep in my resume, what points to remove, and these AI tools helped me so much. Like, okay, fine, there were repetitive statements in my resume which I did not realize,
Yeah.
because they were formed differently.
Yeah.
So when it was made, and it was like cut down to 2.5 pages,
Yeah.
which is readable, I feel.
Yeah. It is certainly more than 5, right? Fantastic. So I mean, this is I can say on the behalf of all of my team, right? Like, when I'll show them this exact video, they'll be absolutely thrilled, because one is switching a job, but then when you're applying for a job and this helps you out, it's absolutely fantastic. There is not a better feeling. So we're so happy for you. We hope you keep upgrading yourself, and it's absolutely fantastic to have students like you. So we wish you the best for your future, and we hope we can keep talking to discuss more and more of your achievements. And so yeah, we'll surely have you on the next time as well. Thank you so much for sharing your experience, and we'll talk with you soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.